these equations. Force voltage and force current circuit. Force voltage and force current circuit. I told you guys to write equivalent equation. How many have completed? Say yes or no. In the chat box. Those who completed say yes in the chat box. Not a circuit, okay, just equation, equivalent equations of force voltage and force current. How many of you completed? Nobody, yeah? That shows your interest. No one has completed? Albin Saji, can you unmute? Albin? Albin, are you there? 409, this number. Can you unmute? Anand Josh, are you there? Anand Josh. Can you unmute Anand? Imani, are you there? Imani Nagwani. It's very bad response. First of all, I'm audible, just confirming you one of you. Once again, I have to move further. Okay, fine. So we have to write equivalent equation no, by referring the table. So let us write first force voltage. Force voltage will be yeah. Can you tell me force voltage F of t equal to V of t, right? M is equal to what? M is equal to force voltage. M is proportional to what? Which element? Can you chart at least by referring the table? M is equal to the force voltage, which element? Can't you tell this also by referring the table? L, is it right? L1 d I1 by dt plus K1 is proportional to K is proportional to the force voltage. Prakriti is responding. K is proportional to which element of Prakriti? Others, kindly respond, guys. R, V by R what? R1 into I1. Okay. B is proportional to damper is proportional to 1 by C1 integral of I1 dt. Is it right? Then K is K is proportional to what's wrong with you guys? I don't know. At least if I ask no, at least you could respond no, in the chat box. Then I'm also happy. Then one-way communication, what is the use? Look at the first equation, equivalent, at least it is visible in the screen. If it is difficult to open your notebook means it is easy to look at the screen and tell me. So K is proportional to the force voltage 1 by C1 integral of I1 dt plus B1 is proportional to R1 I1 plus K3 1 by C3 integral of I1 minus I2 dt. At least you write it second equation same way. 0 equal to M2 means L2 di2 by dt plus K2 means 1 by C2 integral of I2 dt plus B2 means R2 I2. K4 means 1 by C4 integral of I2 minus I3 plus K3 means 1 by C3 integral of I2 minus I1. Similarly, last equation equate L3 di3 by dt plus K4 means 1 by C4 integral of I3 minus I2. Got it all of you? Say yes or no, at least say yes or no. Got it all of you? Thank you, Prakriti. Let us, there is no meaning if I'm telling so many times. Only except 1 or 2 students, nobody is listening and nobody is responding. Then what is the use? For me, simple, sir. If you not respond, for me, simple. Simply, I will go to, I'll finish my syllabus. If you don't have interest to learn, means what to do. So now look at all the 3 equations. Out of 3 equations, how many items are there? How many I are there? Look at all the 3 equations. How many current are there? Kindly chat. Look at all the equation. How many items are there? Very good. 3, no? There are I1, I2, I3. Is it right? So that means 3 means, is it loop or node? Is it loop or node? Current force voltage means I3 are there. So is it loop or node? Loop. Very good. So 3 loops will get, no? I1 loop, then I2 loop, then I3 loop. Is it right? Yeah. Next, look at the first, come to the first equation. What is the first term? What the input is V of t. So I will make input here. Input will be V of t. Okay. And come to the first, in the first equation, next term, L1 di1 by dt. That means L1 is connected to only I1 loop. What is the symbol? I1 loop means I have to draw it here, no? So L1 symbol will be this one, no? Inductor symbol. L1. Then next term will be C1. See, look at the equation 1 by C1 integral of I1 dt. That means C1 is connected to only I1 loop. So that means I need to connect series I1 loop. This will be C1. Then R1 is connected to only I1 loop. R1 into I1 means R1 also connected to only I1 loop. I have to draw it here. Okay. Then last element in the first equation 1 by C3 integral of I1 minus I2. That means C3 is common for both I1 loop and I2 loop. Common means where I have to draw? I have to draw it here. No. What is the symbol for capacitor? This will be C3 because it is common for both I1 and I2 loop. Okay. So this equation is done. Come to the second equation. Input is 0 here. So next term L2 di2 by dt means L2 is only common, only connected to the I2 loop. So where can I connect? Here L2. Is it right? Only for I2 loop. and C2 is connected to for only I2 loops. C2, this will be C2. Then R2 is connected to for only I2 loop. Look at the equation. This will be R2. Then C4 is common for both I2 and I3 loop. So I2 means I3 means here it will come. This will be C4. Is it right? Then last term C3 is connected to both I2 and I1. So already C3 is done. The second equation is done. Last equation L3 di3 by dt. L3 is connected to only I3 loop. L3 is connected to only I3 loop. And C4 is connected to I2, I3 as well as I2. So already C4 is done. So, and everything is done. So at the end, you connect all the elements with the ground. This is how the force voltage circuit. Are you clear, all of you? Are you clear, all of you, how to draw circuit? Say yes or no? Understood, no? All of you? Only Alex understood. Remaining guys? Daniel also understood. Others? Bijoy also. Pani Kumar also. Teddy Jose also. Amraz also. So except 7, nobody understood. That means you are not there in class at all. Thank you, those who have responded. Thank you for your response. It means a lot to me. Okay. Now let us write equivalent force current circuit. Force current circuit. Before that, you have to draw equivalent equation. Force current equation. Write it. Force current. Yeah, fine. Okay. Refer table. We have mechanical equation equivalent force current equation right by referring the table. Last column. So f of t is equal to I of t. Then m is proportional to c d1 by dt. Is it right? Plus k is proportional to 1 by L1 V1 dt. Then plus V is proportional to V1 by R1 plus K3 L3 integral of V1 minus V2 dt. Then that is the first equation is done. Come to the second equation. M2 means C2 dV2 by dt plus K2 means 1 by L2 integral of V2 dt plus V2 means V2 by R2 plus 1 by L4 integral of V2 minus V3 dt plus 1 by L3 integral of V2 minus V1 dt. So that is done with the second equation. Let us write last equation. 0 is equal to C3 dV3 by dt plus 1 by L4 integral of V3 minus V2 dt. Is it right? So we written all the three equations. Now let us write the circuit for this equation. How many V terms are there? Can you chart? How many V terms are there? Then how many nodes will come? How many V terms are there in the all three equation? Three V terms, no? That means three nodes you have to write. So that will be V1. This will be V2. Third node will be V3. Okay. So corresponding bottom node also you write it or to connect. So let us draw circuit now. What is the first? Look at the first equation. Input will be I of t. So give the input to the V1 node. Input will be I of t. So come to the first term is done. Second, next term will be C1 D1 by dt. Means C1 is connected to the only V1 node. So only V1 node means C1 I have to connect it here, right? It will be C1. Then L1 is connected to only V1. What is the symbol for L1? Inductor symbol. This will be L1. Then R1 is connected to the only V1. What is the symbol for R1? This will be R1. Then last term L3 integral of V1 minus V2. That means L3 is common for V1 and V2. That means I have to draw it here. No, this will be L3. First equation is done. Come to the second equation. C2 dV2. C2 is connected to only V2 node. Then L2 is connected to only V2 node. What is the symbol for L? It will be L2. Then R2 is connected to only V2. What is the symbol for R2? Then L4 is common for V2 and V3. L4 symbol for L will be. Then L3 is common for V2 and V3. L3 already done. Over that equation, last equation, C3 is common for only V3. So L4 already done. So this circuit is completed. You can connect it. So you can give ground. So this is the equivalent force current. Did you got it, all of you? Understood? Say yes or no in the chat box. Did you understand? Are you clear, all of you? How to draw circuit? I hope with this problem everyone is clear. Nobody has any doubt. At last, kindly respond. Are you clear, all of you? Say yes or no, others. Okay, then thank you. If not done, you copy this. Let us move for the last problem of this topic. Kindly, if not noted down, kindly note it, this problem. So with this problem, this topic is completed. Okay. The last topic is there in this chapter will be, that is controllers. My battery is going to die. Here there is no power. I don't know. I think another 5 minutes it will be there. Okay, anyway, I'll stop this topic here. I mean, this topic is completed. The next topic we need to start controllers. I'll do it after Christmas vacation. Okay. Anybody has any doubt? Don't leave the class. Anybody has any doubt? You can. I'll stop recording.